What's up, everybody? It's me, Tommy, and it's time for another video. It's good that there's some clouds out today. It'll make it easier to work on the van. Things I have to do. Let's see. Things I have to do. I have to get a board underneath those 1x6 slats. They do support, but there's a little too much bounce where if I jumped on the bed, one of them might crack. I don't need to do that. But right now the platform is fully built, except for that one thing. And then I will go get the mattress. The mattress is located at another house right now. Gonna throw that in. Maybe go for some sheets later. I don't know, because I'm not aware of any place I should go. Maybe Michael's or Hobby Lobby. I don't know where to get sheets. Walmart, I guess. And then maybe I will do the plasti dip on the windows. I really should reseal the windows before I do the plasti dip, but I don't know. I just want to take off. I don't care if I have 1 or 2 leaks. I'll just avoid the rain, right? I don't know. You can make fun of me in the comments. Well, to start out the day, I got these 2x4 hangers, joist hangers, because I'm going to hang the support underneath the mattress with this one. The reason why I bought those hangers, because those wooden slats I need to support underneath. I need to put a 2x4 that's vertically to hold up those boards really steady and stuff like that, so I don't break through. But I could have hung the 2x4 if I had a pocket jig or something like that, but I don't have it, and I don't want to drill diagonal or something like that, so that's why I bought the hangers. Well, this is something I didn't want to do, is add transmission fluid to the van. It's one of the things you have to do, I guess. It's just running a little low. I could hear it gurgling when I was shifting, so here we go. Well, I added a quart. I just got this stuff to add in, and it took the quart. It says to check it after you add stuff to it. I'll do that. Yep, when I checked it, it went all the way up to the H now when it's running hot. Yep, so that's good at least. So hopefully it'll be a smoother shifting ride when I drive this out of here, which should be in a day or two. I think the first stop I'm going to do, though, on my way is find a Pep Boys or something and get my tires changed. So right there towards the bottom of the screen, you can see the stabilizer bar for the slats. There's a hanger right there that's screwed in. And also over on top of the air conditioner, like you could see there under the boards, and it's over the AC in the back, and that's screwed into. So it's now stable on the bed. Now I'm picking up the mattress. So now I got the mattress on there. Right now it appears like it's gonna rain. The sky's getting dark. It's about lunchtime for me anyway, so I might take a little break here and let's see if I get to those windows at all today. I'd like to do them, get them done with, because it's one of those things that needs to be done now, because I'm sleeping up by the windows. Even if I park at a rest area or a truck stop, people are going to be able to see my weird head in the window or my smelly feet. Haha. So I came over to here, the Edgewood Mall, because I'm going to Belk. Belk has a special on some full-size sheets for $10. Maybe I could find a new pillow in there. Actually, it's not too bad inside. I kind of dig this mall. I haven't seen a mall like this in a while. Even a GameStop. And a couple of restaurants. It's not too dead on a Saturday. I saw that they had an airbrush t-shirt place here. That'd be neat to have a van t-shirt for me. Now this is a funny cologne rack. Not sure how well I'll smell with Craftsman. Yep, 2-pack pillows. They're pretty comfy. $10. I think those are going in my van. So I found like 7 rolls of felt. That's good for $1 each. Right here in my garage area, you see these red little containers? I just got them at Dollar Tree for $1 each. It's a real bargain. Because like one's holding my tools, one for all the chemicals, and one for all the electronics. Oh, over here too. These things are my magic stuff when I go out on the street. I'm sorry for the lawnmower noise in the background, but you can see right through here. Yep, the bed is made. Temporary window covers in, because as I go past these windows, you can't see in at all. Now, you go to the back of the place, you can see right there, the bed, all the tools and stuff like that. But then heading over here, can't see into the van anymore. So one of the things I have to do is actually, make the window covers for the cargo side doors and for the back doors. That's why I got the felt today from Dollar Tree. But it was also good that I got those bins from Dollar Tree, because now I don't have to have paper boxes and whatever. Shit. Back that up. And it's also good that I bought those red containers from Dollar Tree, because now I don't have to use those cardboard boxes anymore to hold crap. It looks a lot better, it holds a lot better, and I feel a lot better. We'll see if I get to the other window covers today, but right now I am dripping wet with sweat. So I'm gonna get a cold drink, maybe even get a beer. What I noticed about this felt, you could actually see the reflectix through it. So what I'm gonna try is I'm gonna 3M Super 77 on it. And after I do one layer, I'm gonna try to put another layer on it. And I think that will stop the reflexes from coming through. It's just such a shame that I'm gonna waste one roll for 2 layers of it. But again, $7 for all this felt. It's 2 feet for each one by 1 foot. So, heck, I got 14 feet for $7. I hope that's a good deal. I don't know. I'm not a felt buyer. So I'm looking at the reflectix through the felt right now, and I'm not seeing any light come through. And if I shut it, you could actually see kind of thing through the door here. I'm not sure if you get a good thing, but I could see all the wood and stuff like that. So this is actually working okay. So this is maybe the way I'm going to do it. 1 layer reflectix, 1 layer felt, just for the small windows, because on the big windows, it pops right out unless you have support. It's going to be sad to leave this place when I finally get my batteries installed, because, man, this place has such beauty. Big old porch, long way to the street. Behind me, there's a pool with a pool house. It's just such a beautiful time to be here. I just taken a break because it's hot and I'm making those window covers. It's hard to stand that smell from the 3M glue. Ugh. And it takes a minute for it to dry. The one thing that sucks about cutting window covers, it's all the windows in the E350 are different. Every single one is a different side, except probably the driver's window and the passenger window. Every window has a different size. So I have to sit there one by one, try to cut it out to be an exact membership. So I have to cut every one to an exact measurement of that window. It's a pain in the ass. I wish there was a company that already had them made. Now, on the other side of the black, I might put pictures. I don't know if I'll do swimsuit calendar or pictures of places I want to go, or just pictures of me and my friends. We'll see. But give me your ideas and comments. It sounds like rain's coming again. I'm walking around the house. I'm like trying to get to the back door where there's an awning. And I can hang out there because I don't want to get rained on. Just sucks being wet in this humid weather. Dry weather, it's fun to get wet. Wet weather, humid weather, sucks. Ask this guy. Imagine trailing this behind your motorhome and making this a place to sleep. And whenever my friends come by, I tell them to ring bell for service. Ain't that right, Smiley? Hasn't answered in like 100 years. It's starting to get windy, rain and stuff, but you can see I did the second door right there. So I'll trim them up. I'll trim these up later, you know, like so that it looks better on the inside, like actually put pictures on them and stuff like that. But there are 2 doors done in the back. Sorry. There are 2 doors done in the back, and you can't see through the windows right now, which was the whole goal of that project right there, because I'm gonna have blackout curtains in the front. Don't need any of the front windows blocked out, but I'm putting them in the windows like that where they look half finished because I want the 3M stuff to dry as it's in that form, so everything starts setting overnight. Now I might get to the last part of these windows. I'm going to try to work on them now. If it starts raining, then I'm gonna have to go inside. Okay, you can hear the rain on the roof right now. I think it's gonna be hasta mañana, but drink them while you got them. Hope you guys had fun today. I'm about to get wet. Guys, I hope you had a fun time watching my videos today. I will be back real soon. If you haven't, subscribe right now, please. Or put a like on my video. Or if you leave a comment, watch me laugh.